Thomas Motamed joined CNA Financial as Chairman and CEO in January 2009 after 30 years at Chubb Corp. In this interview, he talks about the changes he has in store at CNA.
Clearly, the most important objective is to improve the bottom line, and with that, we're also going to have to improve the top line. We're going to have to become a more agent-friendly company. We're going to have to develop a broader and more specific appetite. We've heard that from our agents. And we have to simplify how we do business. We tend to be too complex, both internally and externally, and we have to learn how to communicate and collaborate not only within CNA, but outside CNA with our clients and brokers and agents.
So are there structural and personnel changes underway?
We have made a bunch of number one, strategy changes from an underwriting perspective. What we're interested in, we're taking much more of a customer-centric approach to the business, focusing on approximately 10 industry segments that we like for both property casualty business as well as specialty business. With that, we are aligning our structure to support the strategy both in the field and the home office operation. And with that, we are bringing in talent. We have changed 7 of the top 14 jobs within the last, well, since 2008. So we're making more changes, and we're hiring lots more people to help us execute the strategy in the branches at the point of sale. Healthcare is going to be a big industry, and we are already in that. But clearly, it's an aging population. People are living longer. The healthcare in this country is pretty darn good and extensive, so we like healthcare. We like technology. We think those are 2 very good areas. We like professional firms, whether they're doctors, lawyers, architects, engineers, accountants, but there's, a certain segment of the U.S. economy and other countries that has a high number of professional firms. We like those. They're well managed. They manage risk well. So we're interested in that kind of thing. Of course, we're open for business in a lot of those other areas that I told you, but manufacturing is moving offshore in many respects. So I think we have to focus on what's here. A lot of that will be driven by service economy, professional firms, healthcare, technology, and then, of course, there's lots of property business and liability business that comes in many shapes and sizes that would be good business for us.
Going forward for CNA, what about growth strategy? Does Motamed envision mergers and acquisitions?
We're not interested in mergers, acquisitions. We'd like to do this organically. We think by broadening our appetite and working with our existing agents, we'll be able to grow. Difficult time to grow in the industry, but that gives us some time to get things in shape. So we think it'll work out over time. But we're not interested in acquisitions.